Today, on October 12, Lim YoonA visited a Chinese fans project for the Bon Appetit Your Majesty fan meeting in Macau. And how can someone be this pretty in a classic tee? She also talked softly in Chinese. I also want to take a picture. Also look at YoonA's proud face when she saw the fans donning a chef's hat just like Yeon Jiyoung's. She even took the chef hat and wore it right away. And then during the drama fan meeting, not only does she make sandwiches on stage, but also sings the drama OST, I Find You. And yes, her voice is so good. What matters the most is that she's so happy. And who doesn't get emotional when YoonA reenacts Lee Heon's message to Jiyoung in Mangunrok?
연모하는 그대가 언젠가 이 글을 읽는다면